Hello and welcome to the tech update of this week. Google also launched the Google Pixel 8 and the 8 Pro, with Google making one of the biggest software upgrade promise ever made during a launch event. Now, Google says users of the Google Pixel 8 and 8 Pro will be receiving 7 years of OS upgrade, which looks very promising, making Google the king when it comes to giving smartphone users the longest software upgrade assurance. Also, Google seems to be pushing towards more of AI stuff with 8 new G3 chip. There is also a lot of new AI features that allows you to change photos and also the ability to change the facial expression of people in photos. Also, there is a new AI audio feature that allows you to separate audio into different subsets, which allows you to separate background noise and also to filter sounds you don't want. Also, Google Assistant has been merged with Bard, making room for AI-generated images on your smartphone. This has been your quick update for today. Kindly don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next update. Thank you so much and have a good day.